Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Have you ever walked around your yard and you see these little green caps? What this actually is called a valve box, and it's actually this big. This right here is an actual valve. This is all part of your sprinkler system. And this valve is inside the valve box and the pipes can come into it, right? This right here is what controls the water to your sprinkler system. Your controller in the garage sends an electrical signal to the valve to open and close. It opens, allows water to pass through, allows the zone to actually irrigate your yard, and then it sends a signal to shut, and the valve shuts and it turns the sprinkler off. That's one of the reasons why these are very important to keep clean and keep exposed, because these valves over time and for various reasons will have a malfunction, or they'll need a repair, or something will happen to it and it'll be worked on. And when you can't find these valve boxes, you actually have to start getting into valve locators and tracing down wires, and it can turn into a really lengthy process. So these green covers you see scattered around your yard, that's what it is. It's housing one of these, and it's a good idea just as a routine maintenance tip, just to keep these exposed so that when you do have that maintenance issue, it's easy to find, easy to access, and easy to repair. Hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.